Yeah, right now what I'm doing is I'm going to get that rear pin out of there. And to do that, I got to lift it up, and I use the lifting arm bar so I can lift it up just high enough so I can loosen the pin and then pull it out. Once I get that, there's a pin on the other side as well. There's two pins that are going through, and they also have lock pins that go through the pins. Those are securing the back part of the snowblower frame. Also under there you have the pulley and the belt that go on the drive pulley. So you got to manually pop that belt off of the pulley. It stays with the snowblower.
That other pin out there.
Once I've done that, then I go to the front,
Center pin out there.
and I need to pull that front pin. It's actually a bar that slides through and supports the front part of the snowblower along with the springs. So now I'm doing the springs. One spring at a time. I've got to maneuver the snowblower by lifting it up to take tension off of the springs. And then you're able to adjust the springs by the chain that's attached to each spring. And I'm coming back around. I got to have the steering wheel all the way over, so you can get that pin slid. Take the lock pins off each side of it, and then slide it through. It can be a pain in the butt sometimes. There it is. So
Main pin.
push it from the other side, push it through, and then just slide it through. So now total weight is off of the tractor frame.
Spring, not really.
Now I'm going to mess around with the spring. Thing is, you got to get the tension off the springs.
remember where your holes were. 1, 2, 3.
There you go. Okay. That's the springs on this. The spring on this side.
One more pin to get out.
Now we're gonna go to the other side. Do pretty much the same thing. Now the way to do it is to make sure you've got all your get the weight off the springs by lifting up the front of the snowblower and put them on blocks. All right. So now that I've done that, just got to make sure I got the belt removed, and then the pin on the other side. It attaches it to the frame. Then of course make sure you keep everything together because you're going to need it next season.
I know they're there when I come back again. Right, now hardest thing is getting over that. When we back out, a little piece of plywood. put the lawnmower back on it. Takes care of that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Don't forget to look in the description down below. There might be a miracle in a link down there. So we'll catch you on the next Around the House.